Hi, this is Godrej South Estate and 4 BHK apartment of size around 3800 square feet plus. We enter into the apartment having a door size of around 8 feet plus. There is a grand foyer area, space around it. Enter into the apartment, we have got a right hand side, we have got the servant room with the servant washroom. With the entry into the kitchen part, that is the space area given. This is the servant washroom over here. This is the servant washroom. We enter into the apartment. This is the guest bedroom. With a attached balcony over here. This is the attached balcony. You see, having a width of around 6 feet and around 10 feet in length. You see, very spacious balcony over here. We close the door and move forward. This is the washroom of the guest washroom over here. Then we enter into this is the living and dining, big spacious living and dining area. This side, this is the balcony, and this balcony is also close to 6 feet in width and around 15 feet in length, close to 15 to 20 feet in length. The balcony is covered with glass. This is glass, here you can see. Then this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen part, and this is the VRV setting. This is the VRV, and this is the entry from the servant room, which we have discussed. Then we enter into the apartment, and this is bedroom 1 with a balcony, and there is bedroom 2. We move into the bedroom 1 first. This is a nice size bedroom 1, having the balcony. This is a common balcony attached with the master bedroom. Attached with the master bedroom. This is the washroom of the bedroom 1. This is the bedroom 2, where we have got the ample space bedroom with the washroom over here. Then this is the master bedroom, quite a big master bedroom with the balcony, which is coming from the bedroom 1. You see, this balcony is also around 6 feet width with close to 20 feet in length. And then we have got the washroom of the master bedroom. This is the grand entrance, you see. And please once visit the site to have a look at this Godrej property, one of the beautiful properties in Delhi, in the Okhla result. You can see the outside work is going on at the full stage in the Godrej. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Bye.